Guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm back with another video. So I got my phone right here with me and it's time to unbox my new S21 Ultra. I'm very excited. So without any delay, let's unbox it and show you guys my new phone. And there's a big surprise also coming with the new stuff that we're gonna get soon. Okay, here we go.
1 hour later.
Alright. So here is the phone itself. Check it out, guys. Is it in the focus? Okay, so compared to my Note 10 Plus, it's quite heavy. So let's just remove this. Oh, that feels good. Actually, I bought the new phone before, but I never did the unboxing like this. So I think I'm gonna keep the front one for now. And let's remove the camera cover. Okay guys, so check out. So the phone itself is quite thick compared to my Note 10 Plus. It does feel solid. I really like the black color. It's very nice and shiny. Okay, let's power this up. Let's see actually what else we have in the box. Most of you already probably know what we have, but let's see. Okay, so we just have a cable in it. So actually I pre-ordered this phone, and so it also has a SIM removing tool right here, which I'm not gonna put the SIM card in yet before I transfer all my data. So let's put the box on side, and we'll do and I'll show you the other stuff that came with this pre-order. So we'll put the phone here. Okay, let's start up the phone also. Let's put this on side for now. So I pre-ordered this phone, and I have few stuff with it. Let me put this down. So this is the silicone cover with it, and let me unbox and show you the quality of it. Packaging of this case looks like a leather, but it's not. Okay, here's the case, guys. It's very nice material, but it seems like it's gonna catch a lot of stuff from your clothes, but it's still better than nothing. Let's set up the phone, and I will get back to you guys after setting up. Okay guys, so here is the silicone case. Let me put this on the phone and show you how it's gonna look. Wow, that's actually a nice fit, as you can see here. Okay guys, so I have another case with it, which is from the Samsung. The first one was also from Samsung. It's come with the pre-order that actually the very first time they got a very good deal, because you get a $200 credit if you pre-order, which I think is already finished now. I like the quality of this case, and it's rugged case. Let me put my phone in it and see how strong it is. Okay, so one thing I noticed that they turn the power button to the right side and the volume button also, which is good, because it was annoying for me on the Note 10 Plus, because it was opposite side. When I switched from Note 9 to the Note 10 Plus, it was quite annoying to use the buttons opposite side. So this case is quite tight fit. So let's see in this one. Okay, this one is a tight fit too, but if you have this much expensive device, you probably want to protect it. Okay, check this out. Okay, so this case is strong, but the only issue is it is like fingerprint. It's showing fingerprint on it. Check this out. This is also from Samsung. I think I should just peel this screen protector off, because when I put the cover on, it just removing automatically. So I'll just take it out. So I will show you guys later when I will show you phone later when I switch turn all the data, transfer all the data to the new phone. And we have one more thing that they send with the package. Actually, I'm still waiting for the Flexi Buds Pro. They sent me that as well, but it's not here yet. Hopefully in 1 or 2 days I will get that. It's not here yet, so I will make a separate video on that too. So this is 25-watt charger with it. So this is it, guys, for today. I will probably see you in the next video with after setting up the phone, and show you what's the difference between old one and new one, and make a small review video of that. So until then, take care and Allah Hafiz.